My name is Claudia Myers. I tell stories that often focus on resilience and identity.
My name's Antonio Roche. I'm an MFA candidate, and my focus is in screenwriting.
My name's Jamie Sicily. I'm a filmmaker. The reason I'm a filmmaker, I feel like there's things in life that I care about that I want to talk about.
My name is Lena Jaswal. I am a photographer and filmmaker. Most of my work involves identity, race, gender, those kinds of issues.
Our motto here is Media That Matters. I think what's unique about our program is that we draw a wide variety of students, but they all share a real sense of purpose-driven work.
One of the great things about studying at American University is that besides learning from professors in the classroom, we have the chance to actually practice and go on sets and stand behind the camera.
The strengths of the AU Film program is that you will be working with professors who are all working in the field.
I would say that the faculty treat us like colleagues. Last year, I worked with Professor Claudia Myers. She brought me onto this movie that she was working on called The Bad Guardian. I helped her in pre-production, I helped her in post-production, and honestly, I learned so much.
I think our students at AU are some of the best equipped. They're really ready to go, and so I think it reflects well on everybody when we have AU students on set.
I've had a few different opportunities to work with faculty already in my first year.
We utilize students on our sets all the time, and in previous projects that have been on PBS, students have been given credit for working on those films.
I've had students work as production assistants, camera assistants, worked in wardrobe, props, anything I can get them involved in.
There's really a focus here on getting students on set, getting students experience, creating films, working on projects, constantly producing.
There's a strong tradition of mentorship here that we're really proud of, and the connections that develop between faculty and students I think are really special.
The thing I appreciate most about FMA is that it's very easy to network between your cohort as well as the other years. And I think that community of filmmakers that we have here is why I chose to come to AU.